What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimiya is spending time with Mami May Kiao. On Instagram post, Nadeko Gimiya invites everyone to celebrate of Mother's Day this month of August to send a gratitude, kindness to every mommies out there. As we can see, Nadeko Gimiya was excited about it. After work, Nadek Bimia is out dinner together with his friends. On Instagram post, Nadek's friends posted on Instagram they went in a special Japanese restaurant in Thailand. They ordered a lot of delicious food like sashimi, soup with tuna, and a lot of veggies. Hanging out together with friends was also good when you have a true friends until now and then. Andek and friends is one of a kind that they are like brothers and sisters, not by blood but by heart.